we're going to be showing you how to send money for free from your Venmo account to friends and family. We're going to start off on our Venmo home screen, and we're going to go ahead and click on the blue Pay or Request button at the bottom right corner of our screen. From here, we're going to be adding a recipient, or who we're going to be sending our money to. And as you can see, we can search for them via name, username, phone, or email. In this instance, we're going to be utilizing the name feature. And once we find the person that we are sending money to, we go ahead and click on their profile. And as you can see here, we have a line where we can add the money we are going to be sending to that person. For this instance, we're going to be using $5. And an important note here is that you always have to make sure to include a note when you are paying or requesting money via Venmo. So, for this instance, we're going to go ahead and use video. And as you can see, you can either utilize the words or click on a fun little emoji. And for this instance, we're going to use this cute little camera icon right here. Excellent. So once that looks good, we're going to go ahead and look at the two blue options in the middle of our screen. We can either request or pay the $5 to our contact. And in this instance, we're going to go ahead and click on the blue pay option. And as you can see, it's going to pull directly out of our Venmo account where we have a $25 balance. Once everything looks good to you, you're going to go ahead and click the green pay button. And as you can see, it is loading and processing that. And once it's finished, it takes you back to the Venmo home screen. And if you give it about 30 seconds to a minute before refreshing the home screen, you will see at the top of your screen that it has gone through and paid our contact the $5 necessary. An important thing to note here, I already had $25 on my Venmo account when we initiated this payment, and as you can see, it went through instantaneously. If by chance you don't have money already on your Venmo account, it'll still send that money instantaneously to your contact. However, it will take about 2 to 3 business days to pull that money from your bank or debit card. Next, we're going to go ahead and show you how to transfer money from your Venmo account back to a bank account of your choice. My name is Eddie, and I can't wait to see you next time.